Have you ever experienced a situation where your photo or video file become corrupted and you couldn't open them? This problem is quite common nowadays and it can be really frustrating, especially if those files are important to you. And that's exactly why in this video, I want to introduce you to an amazing tool called Wondershare Repair It. It is a powerful software that can be a lifesaver when you are dealing with these issues. Now, Wondershare Repair It is a versatile tool with the primary purpose of recovering various types of digital files that have become unplayable, unreadable, or inaccessible. At its core, this program harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to revive damaged photos and videos, addressing a range of issues. Whether you are dealing with videos that won't play, images marred by strange pixelation, audio files distorted into static, or vital documents that won't open, this tool might just be the solution you are seeking. Now, what's more impressive is that it's designed to function with files stored on a wide variety of devices, making it suitable for corrupted files on drives, SD cards, smartphones, or desktop computers. Additionally, it is designed to be user-friendly by offering compatibility with numerous operating systems. Now let's dive into our first-hand experience of using the software so you can determine if it's the solution you have been waiting for to restore your damaged files. Now let's begin by exploring its video repair capabilities. Wondershare Repair It excels when it comes to fixing videos, proving to be an invaluable solution. We subjected it to a variety of damaged videos, including those that wouldn't play, froze during playback, or had audio issues. It also successfully handled videos with header corruption, flickering problems, and those lacking essential video codecs. In even scenarios, it effectively restored the video to a playback condition. Furthermore, the wide range of video formats that it supports is impressively extensive. The versatility enhances its attractiveness, making it a versatile and trustworthy tool for users dealing with different video formats. Another remarkable feature to note is the scanning mode. It offers both a quick and advanced option, swiftly identifying the problem and initiating the repair process. The speed and efficiency of the scanning mode significantly reduces the time users need to wait for the results. The process is refreshingly simple. All you need to do is add your corrupted files. Once you have added your files, click the repair button and the program springs into action. It swiftly identifies and tackles a broad spectrum of corruption issues, ranging from minor glitches to more substantial damage caused by system crashes or compression problems. Now, one standout feature we found particularly impressive is the preview function. It lets you inspect the quality of the repair before saving the file to your preferred location. This adds confidence, ensuring you know precisely what you will get before committing to saving the restored file. Now, throughout our review process, we rigorously tested Repair It under various conditions, including different file types, level of damages, and storage mediums, and its consistent ability to successfully restore files left a lasting impression on us. Now, it's worth noting that Repair It isn't limited to videos. It can even handle other essential media files with equal proficiency, like photo repairing. Wondershare has thoughtfully integrated a comprehensive set of tools for photo repair capable of rectifying corrupted images in various formats. Repair It excels at managing diverse level of corruptions, including scenarios where portion of the photos are missing, pixelated image arising from incomplete photo data, and images that cannot be opened due to structural data incompleteness. It also boasts a host of powerful features such as batch repair, previewing the repair images, extracting thumbnails from loaded photos, and providing advanced repair options for severely damaged photos. To initiate the photo repair function, you will follow the same three-step process we discussed earlier for the video repair. Add the corrupted photos, commence the repair option, and review and save the restored images. That's it. Now, in this tool, resurrecting your impaired audio files is just as straightforward. Wondershare Repair It can mend damaged AAC, FLAC, M4A, MP3 and WAV files with an impressive success rate. What's more, it adaptively addresses a wide range of audio corruption, encompassing issues like clipped audio from singing or recording too close to the microphone, humming audio stemming from electromagnetic interference, and rumbling audio due to heavy breathing during recording. While these features alone would make it a must-have tool, it goes the extra mile by offering the file repair feature. Repair It can proficiently restore corrupted Office documents encompassing PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and zip files, in addition to Adobe file format like PSD, PSB and AI. To attain its impressive success rate, it efficiently addresses various types of file corruption, whether your files are stubbornly refusing to open, their layout have become distorted, they have become unreadable, or the information within them is jumbled or distorted. At last, if we talk about the pricing, the software boasts a clear and adaptable pricing strategy for both its Windows and Mac compatible editions. For the Windows version of Repair It, users can access it for $69.99 per month. Opting for the annual plan reduces the monthly cost to $79.99, while a lifetime plan is available for a one-time fee of just $99.99. On the Mac side, users can acquire the software for $79.99 per month. The annual plan is priced at $99.99 and a lifetime plan is offered at a one-time cost of $119.99. Overall, it's a versatile digital recovery tool that excels in addressing the challenges of file corruption. It effectively restores photos, videos, audio and other crucial files to their initial condition, and its user-friendly interface ensures easy file repair, making it highly accessible. While it may not resolve every file-related issues, it comes remarkably close. For these reasons, we wholeheartedly recommend this tool to anyone in search of a practical and dependable solution for their file repair. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you do, then do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid.